So a really great tool to have is a drawing board. It's wonderful. You can just take your piece of watercolor paper and slip it right under the clip on the top there, and it holds your paper in place fantastically. And it's very light. This is a smaller size. You can buy them in larger sizes for larger pieces of paper, and they run about $15–20 each. So they're really worth it. They're really comfortable to work with. You can pretty much be in any position and have this, and I really haven't found a substitute for it yet. So you really want to try to get one of these, and it's great because you can take it with you wherever you go. If you want to go paint on location, outside somewhere, I mean, it's just the ultimate drawing board to have. So I do highly recommend one of these, and this one has a grid on it in case you are doing something technical. You can really, it helps you get your placement a little bit better. They also come without the grid on there if you prefer, like in brown or whatnot. So there are a couple different variations, but I do think it's really helpful to have, and I'm going to use one today.